Welcome back, mini truckers, mini truckettes.
And here we go.
I've got a 1994, I believe, truckers, mini truckettes. I've got a 1994, I believe. I've got a 1994, I believe. Honda Actys, four-wheel drive. Let's start over. Fuck. Filming?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
Welcome back, mini truckers and truckettes. We are back with this 92 Mitsubishi, and it might look familiar. We've had it, you know.
Yes!
Yeah.
Damn it. Bad, huh? Not too. Wow. Protect you? I'm sure that you would not need a fully functional double-edged sword.
We've had it for a while, and here's a little story behind it. Welcome back in, mini truckers and truckettes. We have a 1990-something Suzuki DD51T. We just did a complete engine swap in it and put a long block reman in it. And I just want to go over your timing placements from looking at your belt, your pulleys, from your crank and your cam. All right, welcome back in, everyone. So we have 7 trucks sitting here. I'm going to go through them from oldest to newest, cheapest to most expensive. So we're going in with the 1994 Honda Actys. This is a 5-speed all-wheel drive, blue in color, obviously, fully serviced, bed liner. We did a bunch of work to this truck early 2025. The gentleman is upgrading to a HA7 as soon as it comes in. So let's do that. I don't want to.
Here we are. And if you look, come to think of it, well, I got to look at this myself. Wow. What a view.
All right, mini truckers and truckettes, we have a 2004 Mitsubishi minicab U62T. This truck is a 5-speed manual transmission with a 3G83 fuel-injected engine. I just fucked that all up, didn't I?
I don't know, I wasn't listening.
Well, do it again. Well, we've got the engine out. What a pain. It was wasn't difficult, but it's just, I just dread it working on Hondas. Welcome back. Sorry. What's up, mini truckers, mini truckettes? You caught me laying down on my back.
Gay.
What are you doing? You were not like this.
Alright, everything's recording. Oh, what the fuck?
Now.
It's actually gonna have to go. Raise it up.
Let's go up.
Yeah, you're gonna be looking at like his chest.
Damn. The hell's
So 3 or 4 bolt, and they are a bear to get to. So we'll go ahead and open this seat. Edit, 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 edit. Edit, edit, edit. Edit, 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 edit. All right, so, but
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move.
so I appreciate you all very, very much for tuning in, checking us out on these videos, keeping them playing, really helping our channel grow. We've reached a couple of goals on our YouTube channel, so I appreciate every one of you because we couldn't have done it without you.
Here we go.